Hello student. In the last lecture, we have been seeing about the collision theory of biomolecular reactions. तो ऐसे एक hypothetical reaction लिया था अपन ने A combined with CB formation of a AB plus C, where A and CB called a reactant, AB and C called a product. तो लास्ट पीरियड में अपन ने देखा था व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स रिस्पॉन्सिबल. तो पहला, इन ऑर्डर टू अकर द रिएक्शन या फिर व्हेन रिएक्टेंट्स आर कन्वर्टेड इनटू प्रोडक्ट, द फर्स्ट द रिएक्टिंग मॉलिक्यूल मस्ट कोलाइड टुगेदर. दिस कोलाइडिंग मॉलिक्यूल मस्ट हैव ए सफिशिएंट एनर्जी, sufficient kinetic energy, that is called activation energy, and if this energy is equal to or more than activation energy, then the reactants can be converted into product. उसके बाद में तीसरा पॉइंट देखा था अपन ने, दे हैव ए प्रॉपर ओरिएंटेशन. प्रॉपर ओरिएंटेशन का मतलब इन दिस when the reacting molecule collides, the old bond gets broken and new bonds are formed. That is called a प्रॉपर ओरिएंटेशन. उसके बाद में चौथा पॉइंट देखा था अपन ने, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी बैरियर. दैट इज व्हेन द रिएक्टेंट्स आर कंबाइंड टुगेदर, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इंटरमीडिएट, दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्टिवेटेड कॉम्प्लेक्स. तो ये हो गया एक्टिवेटेड कॉम्प्लेक्स. ये समझो रिएक्टेंट हो गए और ये समझो प्रोडक्ट हो गया. दिस intermediate compound complex is formed which has a higher energy than that of the reactant and product, and that energy is called a threshold energy, या फिर that is called a activated complex. So when a graph is plotted between the potential energy and the progress of reaction, then what happen here, this is the energy of a reactant and this is the energy of a product. ये होगा energy of a product, ये होगा energy of a reactant, and this maximum amount of energy that is required for the formation of a activated complex, it is called a threshold energy. It is called threshold energy, या फिर it is called a potential energy barrier. And if the colliding reactant molecule have a tendency to cross this potential energy barrier, then there is a probability of a formation of a product. And this, the energy difference between the threshold energy या फिर activated complex की energy and the reactant, that is called a activation energy. So how to calculate activation energy? That is the threshold energy minus energy of a reactant. That is the energy of a reactant, या फिर we can say normal energy of a reactant. From this you can calculate the energy of activation, and the energy difference between the product and the reactant, it is denoted by letter delta H. Delta H का मतलब enthalpy of reaction, या फिर we can say heat of reaction. It is equal to energy of product minus energy of reactant. अब यहाँ से when the reactants are converted into product, this energy is called energy of activation for the forward reaction, and this energy product to activated complex, it is called energy of activation for the backward reaction. तो इसको बोलेंगे अपन energy of activation for the forward reaction, and this is called energy of activation for the backward reaction. If the energy of activation for the forward reaction is greater than the energy of activation of a backward reaction, then how to calculate? Delta H equal to energy of activation for the forward reaction minus energy of activation for the backward reaction, and if the energy of a forward reaction is greater than that of the energy of backward reaction, then delta H is positive, and such reactions are called endothermic reactions. तो इनको क्या बोलेंगे अपन? एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन. दूसरी कंडीशन में, if energy of activation for the forward reaction is less than that of the energy of activation for the backward reaction, then how to calculate delta H, that is the energy of forward reaction minus energy of backward reaction, that is equal to negative, and such reactions are called a exothermic reaction. So ये हो गया about the collision theory or the different energies during the formation of a product. तो यहाँ ख्याल में रखने का पहला पार्ट that is called activation energy. Activation energy means the minimum amount of a kinetic energy that require to cross the energy barrier, potential energy barrier, that is called activation energy. The energy concerning with the activated complex, intermediate complex, that is called a threshold energy. Energy difference between the forward reaction and backward reaction, it is called a enthalpy of reaction या फिर heat of reaction या फिर heat of reaction is equal to energy of a product minus energy of reactant, and if the delta H is positive then it is called endothermic reaction, delta H negative, that is called a exothermic reactions. So by using this you can calculate the energy of activation if the energy of threshold energy is known minus the energy of a normal energy of a reactant. By using this formula you can calculate the activation energy. तो ये हो गया about the collision theory of biomolecular reaction. Okay.